Hello. Today, once again, you are welcome. So today, I want to share with you about dream. Really, any dream completes. People see many dreams. That dreams completes in their life. That dreams happens. Before time, I was thinking I can't learn this language, but I continued my journey. In this time, I'm able to speak English. So yes, dreams complete, but we have to what? Keep patience. If we have patience, then we can achieve any goal. So in this time also I have some challenges. This time I am teaching some students. So before time I was thinking that I will teach in future approximately 100 above. So I think that from 13 years I am teaching only 20 students. I was teaching in my village. Also there were 20 students. Then I found sport classes in town. Also there my student was only 20, and this time also I'm teaching. So also in this time 20. So I have one dream. In future I can imagine if I complete my English, then I will have lots of students, many students. So this feeling is going on, means this kind of dream is mine is going on. So one day I will achieve, because whenever I think that if my English is good, when I will complete all the things of English, definitely people will think about your English, means that person know English, he has given lots of time to learn this language. Really, I have given 13 years to learn this language. So one hope I have that one day I will teach many students. I want to go many places. I want to teach. I want to motivate. I mean that I want to become a motivational speaker. Any person can achieve their goal. So in this time I'm teaching few students. I'm not thinking about I'm teaching only few students, but I have one hope. So in future I will have lots of students, thousand above, lakh above. So this is the dream I am complete. I want to complete this dream. So in mind all things are running, means I can achieve my goal if I continue my practicing journey. So definitely I will have lots of students. Yeah, definitely all dreams complete. There are many types of post, means I don't like any kinds of post, but I want to do my own business, own work, means teaching. I want to teach to students, teach to people, means new things related life. How can we live happy in this life? So many things I want to do in my life. So I have many what budget of work, means I have to do in my life, in this life many work. That's why I am giving my all focus on to learn this language. If I complete all the English rules, all the everything, means I'm able to teach, I'm able to speak in very clear way. So then I will have, then my dream will complete. So this thing in mind is going on. This kinds of creation, you can say that every day I'm achieving new things. Every day I am sharing with you. Yes, also whatever your desire, so whatever your wish, one day will complete if you continue. So 13 years is so long time, but I had one hope that one day I will complete. In this time I'm able to speak English. I'm so happy because one next my dream will complete, means I can see in mind that figure are coming in mind. Yes, I can do. Yes, I can do. So every day I'm learning new things. That's why I'm feeling that one day my English will be better. Before then, in this time I'm feeling very better. I can speak, means whatever mind has what wish, how to say, thought. So I want to share with you. Yes, all wishes complete, but you have to keep patience. Patience is much necessary in life. If you don't have patience, you can't achieve any goal. I'm not learning only this language, I am learning life experience, different things, different things I'm learning. So before time I was thinking that I want to learn this language. No. So what in life we learn experience. What is the real meaning of life? Many things, many incident happens in people in life. Sorrow and some happiness comes and goes. This is the continue comes and goes. But we have to know about. There are many things to know in this entire world. There's not only one hope that we have to get success. No. In this life, there are many things we have to know. So, if I understand, if I know everything, definitely I want to share with you. I want to tell you, all of you. Not only my English learning is not my journey. My journey is to what? I am searching the truth. What is the actual truth of this universe, life? So this thing I'm searching. I'm not a English teacher, you can say, but I am a, you can say, researcher. I am doing research of the truth. What is the actual truth? So this language through I want to fulfill my dream. That's why I'm learning this language. So nowadays I am what my what role is like teacher. So I'm teaching some student, but I'm trying to learn new things. I want to try. I want to learn new things because I'm so interested to learn new things. So when we'll complete, I have a hope one day definitely will complete my all wishes will complete. I will visit many places. I will visit many people. This is my wish, and also what is the truth of this world. I will know in this life. It's my target. So okay, today I share with you. So every day definitely I will share with you new areas what I have. I will tell you life experience, but in English. I know Hindi properly. This Hindi thought is I'm this time I'm what changing in English. If you have lots of knowledge about any language, means whatever your language is, if you try in your English, definitely one day you can transform this thought in English. This is called the language. So I'm sharing with you. So you have to try whatever you know, try to speak in English. I know some people say that you make video in your native Hindi language, but I think that you know that Hindi is not spoken all over the world. If you make English videos, then many people will in entire world will listen you. That's why I have started that I will speak only English. If I speak only English, then I can achieve my goal. So today is enough for me. So next day I will share with you new things, whatever I have ideas. So definitely I will share with you. I will tell you what will be happen in my life. So I want to tell you. Okay, I will meet you another video. Till now, bye.